Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine at your places. My name is Nader and I am your chemistry teacher. In the name of Allah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our discussion topic is summer vacation task of class pre-9th. This task consists of three sections: section A MCQs, section B short question and section C long question. First of all, I am going to discuss with you MCQs and how to attempt these MCQs on your given sheet. Student, mark the correct option on your sheet. Now I will discuss with you section B that contains short question. The first question of section B is differentiate between heavy and ordinary water. Also give a comparison between physical properties of ordinary water and heavy water. The answer of this question is heavy water. Heavy water contains hydrogen 2 atom in place of hydrogen 1 is called heavy water. Ordinary water that contains hydrogen 1 atom in place of hydrogen 2. The main difference between the ordinary and heavy water is hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 1. What is mean by hydrogen 2 and hydrogen 1? In case of heavy water, hydrogen contain the isotope deuterium. The atomic mass of deuterium is 2, so we can say hydrogen 2 that is used in heavy water. While in ordinary water, hydrogen 1 means it contains the isotope of hydrogen, protium. The atomic mass of protium is 1 because protium has no neutron. That is used in the ordinary water. Here I will discuss with you the physical properties of ordinary water and heavy water. Physical properties like melting point, boiling point and density. Melting point. Melting point of ordinary water is 0.00 Celsius, while the melting point of heavy water is 3.81 Celsius. Boiling point of ordinary water is 100 Celsius. Boiling point of heavy water is 101.2 Celsius. Density at 25 Celsius ordinary water is 0.00701 gram per centimeter cube, and density at 25 centigrade of heavy water is 1.1044 gram per centimeter cube. The next one is what is carbon 14 and how does it work? The answer of this question is carbon 14 is used to estimate the age of carbon containing substance. Carbon atoms circulate between ocean and living organism at a very faster rate. All the things in which carbon 14 is present. To estimate the age of that things, carbon 14 is used. क्योंकि आफ्टर दैट ऑर्गेनिज्म कार्बन 14 पिक नहीं कर सकते. कार्बन 14 इज़ अ रेडियो एक्टिव आइसोटोप्स. इसकी हाफ लाइफ होती है और इस हाफ लाइफ से हम अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म कितने अरसे पहले इसकी डेथ हुई है. सो कार्बन 14 इज़ यूज टू एस्टिमेट the age of the substance. The next one is why an atom is electrically neutral. The answer of this question is an atom is electrically neutral because atom contain proton and a electron. Proton contain positive charge that expressed in plus 1 and in the form of charge. Its value is 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. An electron has negative charge that expressed in minus 1 and in charge its value is minus 1.602 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So electron and proton have same charges but they have opposite sign. They cancel each other. We can say an atom is electrically neutral. It has no charge. The next section is long question, section C. The long question is state the importance and uses of isotopes in various fields of life. So I will discuss with you the uses of isotopes in various fields of life. First one is radioactive iodine minus one. Radioactive iodine 131 is used as a tracer in diagnosing thyroid problem. Sodium 24 is used to trace the flow of blood and detect possible constriction or obstruction in the circulatory system. Third one is iodine 123 is used to image the brain. Fourth one, cobalt 60 is commonly used to irradiate the cancer cell. Fifth one is carbon 14 is used to trace the path of carbon in photosynthesis. Next one, radioactive isotopes are used to determine the molecular structure. Radioactive isotopes also used to study the mechanism of chemical reaction. These are some radioactive isotopes and we discussed their uses in various fields of life. Some isotopes are used in thyroid problem, some are used in the different purpose like image of brain to irradiate a cancer cell. Thank you student.